I'm just getting off from work. This is what my makeup looks like. I'm being inducted into the Women's Commission in our local area, and I need to get ready really quickly. But we have to wear purple, so I want to change my eyeshadow look just a little bit to make it a little bit more purple. So I took out this Pat McGrath eyeshadow. I'm going to use a little bit of this purple eyeshadow right there. I'm going to change clothes, touch up my blush and face a little bit, put on a lip, and then I'm out of here. To touch up my makeup, I'm going to use my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish, and this is in the shade Dark, and I'm just going to use one of my Lunar Year brushes. Just a quick refresh. And I have one of my older Hourglass face palettes because this has some really pretty pinks in here for blush. Put a little bit of that on the cheeks. For lips, I have my MAC lip liner in Night Moth. And my MAC lipstick, which is a really ashy lavender. Once I put on a gloss, that'll be fine. Brighten underneath my eyes a little bit. And I'm going to use this powder from Hourglass. As you can tell, I have used this a ton. I have several other Hourglass palettes that I need to start using, but I'm trying to finish this one up. Use a little bit of this highlighter. There it is. I went from pink to purple. I'll see you in the next video.